Next, prediction of hybridization of chlorous acid. I'll explain how to predict the hybridization and what will be how much number of sigma and pi bonds. It's very important. So in HOX, when you predict the hybridization, oxygen has central atom is oxygen, whereas here it is chlorine. Yes. Three S and 3P. So here what will happen here is you need to promote it to the first excited state. This is ground state. Three P, 3D. So therefore, now coming to the molecule. Now this will form pi bonds, and this will form sigma bonds. How it will form? Let me explain you very clearly here. So here this is one OH bond, okay. So this is sigma bond. This is another oxygen atom with sigma bond, whereas this is going to be pi bond. So therefore here also hybridization is sp3. And shape is bent. Y is bent due to lone pair repulsion. All of you know that lone pair repulsion greater than bond pair lone pair repulsion according to VSEPR theory. Now coming to the shape. Exactly if it was shape, one lone pair, another lone pair along with double bond OH. So here one is sigma, one is pi bond. What kind of pi bond? Chlorine O has pi bond. This is d pi, this is p pi. D pi p pi, multiple bonding. a sigma bond. Therefore, hybridization is sp3 shape is bent.